I have been posting some video lessons of modern standard Arabic, and now is the time to post some Egyptian dialect. In this video you will learn how we Egyptians meet and greet. So you will learn all the greetings in Egyptian Arabic dialect. My name is Abdurrahman, you can call me Abdu. I am your Egyptian friend, and now let me tell you how we say stuff in Egypt.
Hey, this is Future Abdu. I'm here to drop a quick announcement. Down below in the description of the video, you will find a link to a free downloadable PDF with all the greetings included in this video. So you could have it on your mobile phone and get back to it whenever you need it. Click the link below to download the file free. Now I'll let you get back to the video.
The first greeting is good morning. In Egypt we have kind of like 4 ways to say good morning. The normal way to say good morning is to say Sabah el khair. Sabah el khair. Sabah el khair. Morning means sabah. Good means el khair. This one way of saying good morning is very adequate, is very proper. You can say it at work, you can say it to your friends, you can say it to your family. It's fine anywhere. But there are more like slang ways of saying good morning. The second way of saying good morning is Sabah el ward. Sabah el ward. Sabah el ward. This one you say to some people that you know, like friends, close family. Maybe you can say it to your wife. It's kind of a compliment. So el ward means flowers. So Sabah el ward means like the morning of flowers. It means good morning, but in a more like colloquial way. Colloquial. I think I'm saying it right. Still proper, still polite, but a little bit like slang. The third way to say good morning is Sabah el ful. Sabah el ful. Sabah el ful. El ful is basically kind of a plant. I think it's only grown in Egypt. I don't know if it's grown anywhere else, but it smells good, and that's why people use it to like refer to the good morning. So Sabah el ful. And again, this is a little bit more slang than Sabah el khair, the normal way of saying good morning. The fourth one, and this is kind of very slang. Normally you don't say it to people in formal situations. You just say it to your friends, to people who are close to you, which is Sabah el asal. El asal means honey. So honey morning, it's kind of like, yeah, it's another way of referring to the good morning. So Sabah el asal, good morning. So Sabah al ward, Sabah al ful, Sabah al asal are a little bit more slang than Sabah al khair. So now we learn how to say good morning. So let's go to good afternoon. Exactly the same. Good afternoon. Afternoon means masa. So good afternoon means masa el khair. Masa el khair. Masa el khair. And this is the proper way of saying it. And masa el ward, masa el ful, masa el asal. So let's move on to good night. Good night is not like good morning or good afternoon. In Egypt, we do not have a direct way to say good night. Instead, we say like, I wish your next morning would be good. So how do we say that? We say تصبح على خير. تصبح على خير. تصبح على خير. This means I wish your next morning will be good. It's kind of like we don't like to talk about nights in Egypt. You can also say تصبح على خير to someone who is going to bed right now. Like if someone says, I'll go to sleep, you say تصبح على خير. Instead of saying like sleep tight or like sleep well or sweet dreams, we don't say all of that. We say تصبح على خير. And by the way, if you'd like to say to someone that you are going to bed, you say أنا حنام. أنا حنام. If you would like to say hello or hi to someone, instead of like good morning, good afternoon, all that, so we Egyptians sometimes say hi, just hi. It means hi or hello. It's the same word. It's coming from English basically. Or we use the Islamic way of saying hi, which is Salamu alaikum. Salamu alaikum. Salamu alaikum means peace be upon you. Like I wish that peace will be upon you. Like you will have peace. Salamu alaikum is basically a generic way of saying hi and bye at the same time. Like if you enter a place with some people in it, you say Salamu alaikum. It's like hi to everyone. And if you're leaving the place, you say the same word. I'm leaving. Salamu alaikum. Salamu alaikum means goodbye. It means the same thing, peace be upon you, but it's meant to express that you're leaving. So if you're entering a place, Salamu alaikum. If you're leaving a place, Salamu alaikum. Last thing that I would like to cover today is how to say how are you to someone. If you meet someone, you say Salamu alaikum and you would like to say how are you, you say Izzayak. Izzayak. Izzayak means how are you. That was it for today. If you have any word that you'd like to say in the Egyptian dialect, please let me know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button because I'm going to make other videos in MSA and Egyptian dialect. And until I see you in the next video, Assalamu alaikum.